Made a new set, we're going all legit. This is a roof off a 100-year-old dunny. Getting all creative and stuff, you know. Maybe I'm wearing pants, maybe I'm not. Ever try riding a motorcycle without your hands? It's actually not that hard, is it? Ever try wiping your bum without your hands? Ooh. Mum! Alright, so hands are important. You need them for things. Lots of things. And waterproofing, it's overrated. There, I said it. This is my review on the 5 GT3 gloves. I reckon gloves are one of your most important bits of safety gear. I think a lot of people discount how important they are. I mean, they're your interface between you and your bike. That's the link. You need feel. They need to be comfortable. If they're not comfortable, even an annoying little thing after a few hours on the bike, it gets really annoying. And we all have that reflex when we're falling to put our hand out. We all do it. You can't help it. So why not get gloves from a company that just makes gloves? So if you haven't heard of them, Five is a company in France that makes bike gloves. That's all they do, just bike gloves. They sponsor riders in pretty much every class, on-road and off-road. They're a company that really knows their stuff. So what we're talking about today is Five's GT3 gloves. They're a short, summer weight glove that's water resistant, not waterproof. I mean, none of my gear is waterproof anyway, and waterproof gear is generally hot because it's not ventilated, so it's not a big deal for me. They've got a wide Kevlar reinforcement at the base of the hand, which is really important because that's the first bit that comes down, and that's the bit that does the real grinding work when you're sliding down the road. They've got what they call a digital PU reinforcement panel for grip. It's a little grippy bit on the hand. It works. And now for the smart stuff, they've got what they call a clear vision pad on the left glove, and that's basically, it's a chamois thing. I mean, you use it for wiping your visor. It actually works. I thought it was a bit of a gimmicky thing, but yeah, it does. And they've also got the pads on the index fingers so you can use a touchscreen. We're using touchscreens all the time. It's actually really convenient. I didn't realise how much I liked it until I found I didn't have to take my gloves off to use things. So all up, they're actually a really good gloves for the climate I ride in, which is really hot, humid and occasional rain, very occasional rain. They work really well. They're really comfortable, like really comfortable, and they've lasted really well. I've had them for about a year now. I've put quite a few Ks on them and there's no stitching coming undone, no damage to them. They look really good. So yeah, I really like them. Would I wear them for a really cold ride? Yeah, probably, because I really suck at planning. Are they cheap? No, they're not. No, they're not cheap, but they're worth it. They're definitely worth it. Gloves are really important. Don't skimp on gloves because your hands, you really need them. It's a bit of a day ender when you screw your hands up, to be honest. It sucks. Here in Australia, you can get them for about $120 from Adventure Moto, Bike Biz, AMA, and MCAS. Links below. Yeah, so that's my review on the 5 GT3 gloves. Really happy with them. Really happy with them, actually. Would I buy them again? Yeah, for sure. Do I think I'll have to buy them again? No, they're holding up great. I think they'll last forever. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, you know the deal. Now that we're using touchscreens, maybe I'm wearing pants, maybe I'm not.